Welcome to our comprehensive guide on clearing temporary files in Windows 10. Temporary files can accumulate over time, hogging valuable space on your system. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you various methods to safely and efficiently delete these files, optimizing your PC's performance. Go to Settings. Then System. Click on Storage. Click in Temporary Files. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to delete and click on Remove Files. Remember, temporary files are generally safe to delete as they're only meant for temporary use by various programs. However, it's always a good idea to review the files you're deleting to ensure you're not removing anything important.